Hey, it's Mick, Strider Knives, showing you the first couple looks at the Sofa King grinder. We're got a nice direct drive machine that's super quiet. It's got mad power. It goes from roughly 3 to 3,400 RPMs. Direct drive 3 horsepower motor. It's got a rubber contact wheel. It's got mad power. It's really hard to make the belt slip. I can push as hard as I can. I can't even slow it down. This is at 50% power. Let's slow it down. Look, here's all the way down. Just pushing against it. I can't even stall the belt out. Let's turn it up. It's the real deal. 190 thousandths, 154 cm. Can't even make it notice I'm here. With the belt out, stop the machine, throw the handle, pull off the belt, slide the belt back on, throw the lever. If you come over here and take a look, it's got a over center cam that operates a gas spring. It's off, take the belt off. It's on, the belt is on. It's got 100 pounds tension holding the belt on there. For tracking, it's got a big giant knob, so little variance, it tracks real easy. It uses a pretty standard tooling arm. This one's off a KMG. Regular KMG arm, I've got to cut 2 inches off for it to work, but they work in the KMG and in this one with 2 inches cut off. This is just KMG tool rest. I haven't built my tool rest for it yet. It has an adjustable work height, so if you're tall or short or like to grind tall or high, you just take the belt off, pull this pin, and you can adjust the height. And back in, get back to work. The machine itself is built completely out of aluminum, really, with the exception of nuts and bolts and so forth. The reason being is it's going to have water attachment on it. I haven't built that yet, but the machine itself is built out of aluminum. They got 1/2-inch plates here. The base itself is built out of 1.5-inch aluminum. It's really rigid. The motor mounts directly into the 1.5-inch aluminum plate. Comes through the other side. It's all bolted together. The whole machine's fairly modular to put together and take apart. Take the belt off. Take the tooling arm out as standard. Just loosen that up, pull out the tooling arm. I'm going to take the machine apart, pull out these 2 pins. Comes like this. That's the assembly right there. Put this on. Line up the hole fairly close. Pin in. Figure out what height you want it. Put the pin in. Slide in your work arm. Get busy. Away we go.
That's Sofa King? Cool.